Aloe vera, or succulent, drought-resisting plants that grow in the hot and dry weather which contain a little rainfall. It is the indigenous plant of the North Africa and Spain, commonly called as a aloe or Indian aloe. But in some part of the Asia, Great Kumari or Ghiu Kumari, it is also named as. It has two species that are Aloe barbadensis Miller and Aloe abroscens that belongs to the family Asphodelaceae, which is of the lily family. As it grows in the low water level, so it is also called as a desert cacti. Cultivation. It can grow without water or it survive without water for 7 years, and it contains a bitter aloin or aloe colored part that repels the insect, rodents and snakes. Two sides of the leaves contain thorns and the tip is also full of thorn. It has a height of 1.5 to 2.5 feet and thick juicy latex which is of a bad odor and bitter in taste, and at the full maturity it contains 12 to 16 leaves which it gains in 3 years, and the length becomes 25 to 30 centimeter and breadth becomes 3 to 5 centimeter, and the flowering occurs from October to January, and the seeds are not preferred for the propagation. The propagation unit of the aloe vera are suckers, which are developed from the mother plant and are called as a babies. And these soil conditions and the climatic condition of the aloe vera are different than that of the other crops, and as it is used for herbal walls, cosmetic walls or decorative purposes, therefore it can be also grown in the bottle or in the cans for the purpose of the aesthetic value. It can be also used for an array of the ailments such as mild fever, wounds and bones, gastrointestinal disorder, diabetes, sexual vitality and fertility, problems to the cancer, immune modulation, AIDS and various skin diseases, and ointment and gel. And also it can also be used for the at the maturity the latex which is in between the leaves is about 3 pound, and the soil condition for the growing or cultivation of the aloe vera is sandy or sandy loam soil which is about 50 to 80 centimeter of the rainfall, well drained with high organic matter and contains 0.4 to 0.5% of the nitrogen, and the land preparation occur 2 to 3 flowing and laddering with a slopey and 15 to 20 feet apart the drainage should be made. Application of nutrition. The nutrition application is 50 is to 50 is to 50 NPK per hectare, and the organic matter of the 15 ton per hectare, and the spacing is about 45 by 40 or 60 by 30 centimeter. And the plant population density becomes 50 by 1000 plant per hectare, and the hybrid varieties such as C111271 or IC 111269 or AL1 can be used for the propagation. The photo shows the upper and lower leaves, and in between there is a latex, and it is harvested at about 7 to 8 months and with a sharp knife, and the 3 to 4 leaves from the outer surface are harvested in the month of October or November, and the necrotic spot contained leaves are not harvested as this necrotic spot disease transmit to the other parts of the plants, and the handling and the processing involves the leaf juice within the 36 hour the leaf juice should be extracted. If it is not possible, then the refrigerated facility should be done, and it is used for the various benefit, and it has following 5 unique benefits. Penetration. It penetrates 7 layers deep of the skin. Aesthetic and antiseptic value. 6 antiseptic agents are available. Stimulate the cell growth, settles nerves and cleanses or detoxify the toxin present in the body. And for the external uses, it is used as follow: skin cure, estrogens, moisturizers, humidifier and cleans, or it removes the wrinkles. Aloe vera can treat the gum disease, relieves the itching and aid healing, relieves joint and muscle pain. For the internal usage, it relieves the liver infection, cures stomach and intestinal problem, act as anti-inflammatory,